The word case, used so often in today's language, we talk about a case at law, where we talk about even suitcases, we talk about many things, but it seems to be something that encloses something so it can be viewed or used in some manner. What's great about the dictionary is we have an opportunity to look at. I'm quoting out of a Webster's College Edition, and then I'm also quoting out of Samuel Johnson, 1755. It kind of gives us an overall perspective of how the word is used, and it gives us even how it may have expanded, but more than not, it leads to the origin staying with the etymology of the word. So we're going to start off, even though the word itself has the word fall in it, quite interestingly, to fall. We're going to go to case. Samuel Johnson's Dictionary, 1755, says condition, a state of things, a state of the body, and it says history of a disease, state of a legal question. And then it goes basically contingents, possible event, question relating to particular persons or things, representation of any fact or question, the variation of nouns, to case, to put in a case, to cover as a case, to cover on the outside with materials different from the inside, just showing that there's something different, because it's not what you think it would be. A lot of times the case is a covering to what is in the internal, and that's why it's so interesting that your given name is really substance and the surname is just a cover-up of what is truth in form. So now we're going to go to Webster's Dictionary. In Webster's College Edition, starts off that the word case is to fall. Now that's quite of an interesting etymology to the word. It's not sounding in the way you would think. And then when we look up casing something, it's to look over carefully, especially in preparation for an intended robbery. So we're dealing with so many things that deal with this word, but the word case, of course, deals also with chance. So you're going to get a chance to go through these dictionaries, because I'm not going to give you everything. You need to do a little bit of due diligence yourself, and you'll find it leads actually to the word chance. It's dealing with something that's questionable. That's why the officers are always questioning you, because you have questionable title. But the society you live in is giving you the benefit of a doubt, because it's questionable what you're claiming. You're always having to answer for it. You're always having to explain it, to prove it. Truth, plain truths, need not be proven according to law. So therefore, whatever you're doing in the world of legal is always dealing with having to prove something. And therefore, it's got question, which also leads to the unique thing that when you're applying for a birth certificate, because you're requesting to be known as something that you're not. Because in truth, you are not that, so therefore you're requesting to join something that is outside of truth. It's the cover, it's the case, and that's why lawyers are always having a legal case. In fact, they carry a briefcase, yet they're very seldom brief.